Running a small business is tough. You pour your heart and soul into it. You deserve every break you can get, especially when it comes to taxes. Tax deductions are like golden tickets. They lower your taxable income. Lower taxable income means you keep more of your hard-earned money. It's not about cheating the system, it's about playing smart. Don't leave money on the table. As a small business owner, you have unique opportunities to write off expenses. We're talking about ordinary business costs like supplies, rent, and payroll. But did you know you might be able to deduct some personal expenses too? That's right. Things like beauty services and clothing can be legitimate business write-offs if you know the rules. This isn't about getting away with something, it's about being savvy. The IRS has clear guidelines. We're going to walk through them so you can make informed decisions about your business deductions. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Here's the golden rule. To be deductible, an expense must be ordinary and necessary for your business. Sounds simple, right? But the line between personal and business expenses can get blurry, especially when it comes to things like clothing and beauty. Let's talk clothes. Work uniforms are a no-brainer. If you require your employees to wear a specific uniform with a company logo, that's a clear-cut business expense. But what about everyday attire? Generally, if you wouldn't wear it outside of work, it's probably deductible. Think chef's whites or a mechanic's coveralls. Now, let's talk beauty. This is where it gets really interesting. If you're in a customer-facing role, looking presentable can be essential for your business. This means haircuts, makeup, and even manicures might be deductible. The key is direct connection to your business. Ask yourself, would I incur this expense if it weren't for my business? If the answer is no, you might be looking at a legitimate tax deduction. Let's meet Maria. She owns a bustling Italian restaurant. Maria takes pride in her appearance, always greeting guests with a warm smile and impeccable style. Now, Maria's personal style is classic and elegant. Think tailored dresses, simple jewelry, and a touch of lipstick. Maria starts thinking about her tax deductions. She realizes that her manicures, which she gets done every 2 weeks, are essential for her business. Why? Because she's constantly interacting with customers, handling food, and her hands are always on display. She keeps meticulous records, noting the date and reason for each manicure appointment. Then there's her wardrobe. Maria invests in high-quality professional clothing that she wears exclusively at her restaurant. She avoids anything too trendy or flashy, opting for timeless pieces that project an image of sophistication and warmth. These outfits are not something she would wear in her personal life. They are specifically for creating the right ambiance at her restaurant. Maria understands that to deduct these expenses, she needs to be organized and keep detailed records. She keeps receipts for all her clothing purchases, noting the date, vendor, and purpose of each item. She also keeps a log of when she wears specific outfits for work. Tax deductions are like spices in your financial stew. Use them wisely, and they can enhance your bottom line. But too much of a good thing can leave a bad taste in your mouth. The IRS is always on the lookout for fishy deductions. Here's the deal. Don't get greedy. The IRS understands that business owners have certain expenses. They're not out to penalize you for legitimate deductions. But if you try to write off your entire wardrobe or claim a monthly spa day as a business expense, you're asking for trouble. Be honest with yourself and with your accountant. When in doubt, ask for professional advice. A Tangerine tax professional can help you navigate the ins and outs of deductions and ensure you're maximizing your tax savings legally and ethically. Visit tangerinebiz.com to maximize your tax savings.